Okay, guys, so it's Sunday today, and we've been blessed with some really nice clear weather. To be truthful, I didn't expect to be able to get back out in the garden, or not much more again this year. But what I thought we might do today is, in a second, I'm going to bring Cassie out. We're going to go back to the bubble game. Some of you might have seen my video where we just asked Cassie and, in fact, Rolo to try to just impose a little bit of self-control, okay, around the bubbles. And what we're going to do today is we're going to see if we can actually get Cassie to come into that hill position, be cued off of my left leg, okay, without any verbal instructions. Now, if she doesn't do it, that's fine. You'll hear me probably try and help her out and give her minimal verbal instructions and probably more physical cues, okay? But what we're going to do, we're also going to test whether I can communicate with her non-verbally when she's at that really high state of arousal, okay? This is something a lot of people don't do. They don't practice with their dogs, actually clearly communicating to them what they want when their arousal levels are really, really high. And that's why they struggle when they get out in the wider environment. So I'm going to let Cassie out. I'm going to blow the bubbles a few times for her, and then we're going to go actually into the exercise as I perceive it, okay? And we're going, as I always say, let's give it a go. Bubbles. Good girl. Bubbles? Yes. What I'm going to try and do, guys, is get her arousal levels up for you. So there's no question. So I think you can see she's actually in quite a state of arousal. And now what we're going to do, hopefully without any verbal commands, instructions, but if I have to help her, I'll help her. Yes. Good girl. Yes. And the reward, guys, is we get to play bubbles again. Now, for those of you that have worked with me on a one-to-one basis or attended Dog Sunday School, which is just taking a bit of a physical break at the moment, you would have heard me talk about the premack principle. And this is a perfect illustration of that principle. Yes. 3. There you go, guys. So I'm quite happy with that. And you can see, bringing her under control, it's not suppressed any desire or drive. Say goodbye, Cassie. See you later. Bye-bye.